Well, hello, hi, and welcome to the Mystic Soul Vine Academy. My name is Etta, and I'm here today to make an announcement first. I will no longer, as of today, I will no longer be uploading on Sundays. I will be changing that day to Wednesdays due to the changes in the seasons. The weather is warming up, and there will be more family events for me, especially on Sundays. So now I decided to change to Wednesdays. Wednesday was my old upload day, so I'm gonna go back to Wednesdays because I feel like it'll be more beneficial um, for me and for you all as well. So so that's that on that. So and second of all, I wanted to make an announcement to two of my OG subscribers that's been with me from day one, and that's Mr. Albert Watson and my dear Grace. Those two has been with me for the longest that I know. The reason why I know them so well because they always comments in my comment section, and so therefore we have built a relationship. I have gotten to know them better than others because, like I said, they comment quite a bit and they've been with me for a long time. So I wanted to show my appreciation to them by offering them a free gift if they accept this gift that I have for them. Now, this gift is something. This what I the gift that I have here. Let me getting tongue tied. But what I have here is handmade items, which is a candle here. This is a protection candle. And this candle is infused with different herbs such as rosemary, basil, thyme, and bay leaves. And these are known to be protection herbs. Okay, and so it's also infused with black tourmaline crystals as well. Now this candle is unscented; it don't have a scent to it, Okay, and so this is my protection candle, which is a 4 ounce. And this candle also comes along with my protection kit, in which I'll be showing it to you later. So this is one of the things that one of the gifts that you will receive, and you will also receive a Palo Sano stick. You will be receiving this as well to help clear and clean energy from your space, from yourself. So this is an addition to the candle, and also you'll get this black salt. Now, black salt is known to be a good protectant. It protects you from anything that's any type of negativity that may come at you. Mainly I use it in my home. And you can also, if you like, sprinkle a little bit in your candle. You can sprinkle it wherever there may be negativity, whether that be your home, your vehicle, your area, your work area, at work, wherever. You feel there's negativity, you can sprinkle this black salt. And this is a protective salt, okay? So these are the three gifts that I will be sending you all if you would like them. So what I want you to do is send me an email at the Mystic Soul Vine Academy at gmail.com and let me know if you accept the gift, and if so, give me your mailing information and I will mail it to you. And again, I appreciate you all so much. You've been with me for a long time. Mr. Watson, I've been knowing you the longest. You've been with me the longest, and then came beautiful Grace. And Grace, I would like to hear from you and know, just to know how things are going with you, because you're such a sweet soul, and I would love to hear from you, okay? All right, and so now let me show you my protection kit here. And this protection kit is what I came up with when I was faced with a lot of negativity in my life, and I came up with this kit, and this has been very helpful for me. And this is the kit here. This kit consists, let me hold it so you all can see. It consists of bath salt. Now this is a 6-ounce bath salt. I'm trying to get it to where you can see. Okay, and this is a shower bath, a protective shower bath gel. I'm saying not gel, but shower wash. Okay. And then we have the candle in which I just showed you. This comes with the candle that I just showed you. And also this is the black salt that comes with this kit. I have to label this one here. It's not labeled. And did I show you the protection oil? This is the protection oil. As you can see, it's infused with herbs. So this is the protection oil that is infused with herbs. And also, you will get this sage stick as well. Okay, so this is my protection kit that I came up with, and it will soon be available for those who would like it. If you feel like you have a lot of negativity in your life and you need some protection, this kit will be very helpful for you. Okay. Okay, and a few other things that I will have available for those who would like. I will have this 8-ounce candle available, and it will be sold separately. But right now, it's not infused, but it's an unscented candle made with 100% soy wax, just like the other one. So this will be available, and once it's purchased, I will infuse it with the herbs. And also, this is some black salt that I will have available for sale, and it has to be labeled as well. Okay? So just to let you know, if you feel like you need these things, they will be soon available for you. If you feel like you need them, like I said, it's a protection kit that I came up with, and it has helped me tremendously. Because I just want to share this with you all. Taking a spiritual bath is very, very important. If you don't do nothing but take a bath once a week, with this bath salt is infused with protection herbs as well. This can be so helpful. And when you take a bath with this salt, with this infused bath salt here, you go in. I don't know if any of many of you all know this, man. Look, when you take a bath and when you get up out that tub, you feel so much lighter. And especially when you use a bath salt, because it helps pull all that negativity from you. It pulls all the dead layers of skin, from your body. And I mean, you just feel so fresh and renewed. And, it pulls out that negativity as well, because every time we go out, we always, if you don't protect yourself before you get out, because negativity can attach to you in a second. As soon as it see that opening, it's going to come at you. Okay. And like I said, the protection oil, which I showed that to you earlier. But yeah, those things are very, very important. A shower wash. Now, the reason why I made this, because I know many people cannot take a bath, and so I came up with this shower wash, and you can also put some in your bath water as well. But mainly, if you're unable to take a bath, you can use this shower wash. This is a good clean. You feel just as nice and clean when you shower with this as well. And I will be coming up with a protection salt scrub as well, infused with herbs, to where if you can't get in the tub, you can use it, that scrub to wash, to scrub your skin, to help remove the dead layers of the skin that's on your body, as well. And then along with the shower wash, will be very helpful to help you feel just as clean and light as well. You feel like a new person. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you all, and so I will be coming up with a few other things to to sell to have available separately, like a bath wash. Let's see, a bath wash and a salt scrub. Those are the two other things that I plan on having available in my store, which I'm working on now. All right, so I just want to appreciate you all. I thank you all so much. You all been so beautiful, and I love you all, and you all take care, be blessed, and have a great day. And enjoy this new year, which is spring, and this is a beautiful time of the year. I mean, it's just, you can just tell a difference in the atmosphere. All right, take care. Bye for now.